How to remove all contacts on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove all contacts on Twitter easy and fast. So first thing, go to Twitter app. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, then go down and choose settings, and here you will find some options. Choose the privacy and safety option and go down, click here, and now from here you will have the remove all contacts option down here. Or what you have to do is click on it like this and click remove here. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. See you later, and thank you so much for watching.